This shows you guys a Volvo. You can never kill a Volvo. Look at this thing. Still runs. They even stole the cat and it still runs. Look at that. We're gonna put a cat on it for him. But I wanted to show you guys that no matter what, it's still going. I don't think that, is that off of a different car? The door?
Yeah.
What kind of car?
Same car, just different colors. Just different colors.
I don't know. It looks like a different year and
It's definitely a different year. Yeah.
so, and it's rainproof even with a couch cushion. See it? It's still rainproof. You gotta do what you gotta do. That's all that matters. And we're gonna straight pipe it, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is what it sounds like before with a stolen cat. Give it gas. So don't sound too bad. You can hear the turbo. Yeah, it's turbo. S70. We'll let you guys hear it. You can see he has to get out through the window because the door doesn't open. He tried to open it, but I think something's wrong with the window. I don't know, with the door. Do you see anything wrong? Why isn't it opening?
I don't know.
It looks perfect. I think it looks perfect. So I showed you guys before what it sounds like with no cat. It's a 98 Volvo S70. So we put this high flow cat on it right there. And we did a muffler delete. Because, you know, why not? And then there's his original tailpipe, original tip. There she is. Can't beat it for how much you paid for it? 300 bucks? You cannot beat it for 350 bucks. Runs, drives, and it's turbo. What more do you want? Nothing. Life is good. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Climb it through the window. Yeehaw! Ride that bull, baby! Let's see what she sounds like. Oh, dude, it sounds better. Heck yeah! Give me gas. Another one to disturb the peace. Again? 100. 101. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Style, okay? Listen to it, because I can't say that word on YouTube. Again? Yeah! Give it out! Let you guys hear on the inside. Well, actually, guys, it gets better. It's even got custom stereo. Look at that. It's unplugged right now because they're worried it's going to get stolen.
No, it's
halfway there.
It doesn't shut off.
Or it drains the battery, one of the two.
It drains the battery.
There's a custom. You can't beat. Look at all the lights in the Christmas tree. Here we go. Yeah. Volvo S70 is going to give us a badass burnout. Let's see. Muffler delete.